Hi guys, it's Friday. I think yes, it's Friday already. And guys, samahan niyo ako kasi magpapalinis tayo ng nails for the upcoming wedding. That's tomorrow actually. So, let's go.
Hindi naman natahalata pero parang ako ata yung first customer. What do you think, guys?
Hi everyone, good morning. It's the day of the wedding and right now, get ready with me because we're gonna attend the wedding. As you can see, this is my bare face. And yeah, let's start with our Oduo. So I'll be back with my full glam later. Bye! Outfit check. At nakachinelas muna tayo dahil babiyahe pa. Ayan. Hello everyone! Si Jam. And on the way na po tayo para sunduin si... Ha?
Pati case, nasa motive.
Yes. On the way na po tayo papunta kay Kite. Susunduin natin siya. So, eto. Yan. Hello everyone!
Hi, say hello vlog!
DJI Action.
DJI
Ah,
Action,
DJI.
Action 6.
Sinong ano mo yan?
Ilan ang followers?
Hello guys! And magja-jollibee muna tayo dahil nagutom tayo sila. Ayan sila, umu-order ang aking mga kasama. So, let's eat! I love my blush on. Color pink pa rin siya, guys. And still alive and kicking.
Kahit nung una pa nila.
Kita sa ano. Sa personal.
Diyan ko tinawag si Rin. Sa McDo.
Diyan. Throwback Thursday. Throwback Thursday. Throwback Saturday.
Ginawa lang niyang stepping stone.
Oh my gosh, we are here! Everybody! Hi everyone! We are here in the venue and ito na si CR kami ngayon. There you go. This is my outfit for the wedding. Amazing!
Hello vlog!
Ay, sorry.
Ako dapat ba proper?
Hello, Krisha!
Nasaan yung kabango?
Ay, nandyan sa bag mo. Sa bag mo.
Okay, so ito na po kami and going to the venue.
May shortcut pala dito.
Okay, so ito na po siya and... Hello! I'm with Madam Jam. Ayan, Stevens.
Dito.
Perfect! Ay, CR ba ito?
Ay, diba sa CR?
Hindi, wala naman nakalagay na CR.
Authorized person.
Oo nga naman.
Tama kaya ang ating dinadaan.
Tama ba?
Welcome to the maze.
Meron kang mo.
Sisigil ka.
Thankfully, umabot kami sa kasal kasi sobrang haba ng biyahe namin. But, we are here! So, after the wedding, eto, kulitan muna kami dito sa stage.
Hi everyone, we are now going to the reception. Medyo malayo lang sa van. We're here! And we are now here sa reception.
And for now guys, pika-pika muna tayo while waiting for the newlywed. Kasi, hindi naman halatang gutom na kami, right?
Sige po nga yun eh.
Alin ba yung bilog?
Oh, titikman ko na. Diyan ka muna kaya.
You ready? Yeah! All right, team two. Yeah! All right, there you go. I like how she's trying to lower her voice a little, you know.
We actually had fun sa wedding and it feels na parang nag-reunion kami magkakaklase nung college. And as time goes by, di natin namamalaya na medyo tumatanda na rin pala tayo and we are little by little is stepping into the next chapter of our lives. And I'm just so happy that kahit pa paano, naging bahagi tayo sa napakasayang celebration na to with Krisha and Mike. So, that's it for today's vlog. I hope that you had fun watching our vlog. So, see you to my next vlog. Bye everyone!